Hello, my name is Ronnie Rodriguez, and today I am going to talk about the word stress. First of all, I want to tell something about the introduction about this topic. What is a stress word? A stress word is the very important part in the pronunciation. When we pronounce very well, people understand us in our conversations, and that will be very clear, and we don't have any problem what we're trying to say. The first step how to teach to my students in the whole class, it will be first of all going to write it down a word and explain that each word it has letter. For example, the word crash it has 9 letters but one syllable. This is the first step that I have to explain to my student. They have to understand that each word it has syllables. So the second step is to identify where is the strong syllable or word stress. For example, when we use the or for example, if I write it down the word on the board, chocolate, there are two ways that I can explain today. First of all, I can use shapes, or I can do with the claps. For example, the word chocolate. In the first syllable, I can make a big square because it's a strong syllable. Co is small square, and late is a small square. Or I can explain, for example, chocolate. This is the way that I can explain to my student and make easy to understand. Another situation, or I can also explain the level of the stress. For example, there are the primary stress, the secondary stress, and the unstressed word. For example, we can find the stress sounds and for example in the words that it has 3 or more syllables. For example, we can find in the first syllable, in the middle syllable, or at the end of the word. Another situation that I have to explain to my students is about the to find in the dictionaries. Uh, Always they use an apostrophe to identify the word stress. For example, in the word banana, they they write it down the word the syllable of b and put the apostrophe in na, so we can identify banana. And let's talk about a little bit more about the rules. And the rules, we can find words, for example, nouns and adjectives. We are going to find in the first syllable. For example, happy. Have the first sound, happy. And what about the verbs? And the verbs is different. We are going to find the stress sound and the second syllable. For example, forget. Thank you very much for this video. Goodbye.